In my recent video, I introduced you to my e-bike and how I use it, how I transport it, and the only one thing that I didn't discuss there is how to secure it so it cannot be stolen. That's the subject of this video. So when it comes to bicycles, how do you secure it when you go somewhere and you leave it? Well, I already showed it in one video. I have this little device. It folds nice. They're in a carrying case and has a lock, and I just tie it somewhere. But it's not long enough sometimes. It's really not long enough if it's some bigger tree or somewhere where I have to put it on. It's rated like 80%. It's like titanium, hard to cut and break, but still only 80% secure because somebody can still cut it. I dealt with this for a year, so when I go, it's always there, ready for me when I go, let's say, to a grocery store or casino or somewhere. Just pull it, tie the bike up. But then I decided to get a new one. And this is the granddaddy of them all, the best one, Kryptonite. I think it's made for Superman. You can tie the Superman with this. I think it's for motorcycles and it's rated like 100%. Nobody can break this. It's heavy like hell. It's heavier than my bicycle. Check it out. It has a special Kryptonite lock. Look at these links. Look at these links like my thumb. So this is gonna be the new device. I'm gonna use it usually in RV parks, tied for the bumper of the RV. Model 14, 15 and New York disc lock. 5 feet or 150 centimeters. Links are 14 millimeter, which is like more than ½ inch. It's for bicycles, mopeds, motorcycles, whatever. And it's rated 10 out of 10. And also it gets in USA and Canada for a bicycle $5,000 insurance. So we're going to explore all that. It comes with 3 keys. One of them has LED light on the bottom, so you can see where the lock is, and the other 2 are just manual regular keys. Let's open it for the first time. There's a little cover here on the lock so you can see the keyhole, and let's use the regular key. Insert all the way. Yep. And it opened. Look at that. Look at that. Look how big that is. I think you need some, not even sledgehammer can help you. You need some power hammer tools or whatever. So it opened actually really easy. And lock it. So basically that's that. Big boy. Here is something they call chain with anti-theft protection offer. So offer is in certain countries, including US and Canada, in the case your lock is broken, your bicycle is stolen, you get a reimbursement that's listed on the product itself. And I already mentioned it's $5,000 for the US and Canada. Now, the thing is here, If you have to register within 30 days on their website, and if you don't have internet, you can call 800 number. You also need a bill of sale and a registration fee. So registration fee is $9.99 for 1 year, or $29.99. So $30 for 5 years, which is $6 a year. It may not be a bad deal. $30, and you have if somebody steals, breaks the lock and steals your bike, $5,000. And actually, they will reimburse the base cost of the bike or power sport vehicle, excluding tax and accessories. So in my case, it was $1,500. It's interesting. So think about it. So from now on, I can safely tie my bicycle for the bumper of my RV, or even for the picnic table in the RV park or something. It's available on Amazon, but I Googled it and find it even for a cheaper price than Amazon. So I paid with free shipping something like $110 or $107, I forgot. On Amazon it's a little bit more, like $127. Look for it. Kryptonite. Kryptonite with $5,000 warranty, cannot be stolen. That's amazing. And this bumper, nobody takes the bumper. Look at those bolts. So I think it's safe now.